Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge, guys, and you're trying to find the blower motor fan resistor, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, where you can locate it. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including the first generation Ford Edge, that what we have right here, guys, we'll have at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Why we have so many videos and why we take our cars completely apart? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience, so please do check it out, guys. This is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on and that we'll be demonstrating where the blower motor fan resistor is located. Okay, blower motor fan, it's right here. This is the switch, guys, for the blower motor fan. You may have one, okay, that is actually, guys, manual switch like that, or you may have a digital one if you have the climate control. But what we need to do right here now, guys, we need to remove the glove box. Open it, guys. Okay, open the glove box. Now let me show you what we need to do. Grab on each side. You have one stop here, one there. You need to squish towards each other and get it out, okay, like that. Now right here, guys, you have one device, okay. You can actually see it from here too. That prevents your glove box from going down too fast. So slide it this way. Okay, and pull it out. After that, okay, you're going to grab the glove box and simply pull it out, guys. Okay, just like that. Now, looking at it here, guys, okay, you're going to notice a few things. That's where you have the flap that it's for recirculation air, the one that opens and closes, so actually your car is sucking air from outside or inside. This is where your cabin air filter is located. But looking at it, guys, okay, just like that, you're going to notice that, okay, let me grab something to point with, okay, this wire right there, guys, this device, this is your blower motor fan resistor, guys, and it has only two screws, okay, holding in place. One is over here on the left side, one is on the right side. Okay, let me see if I can point a little bit. Okay, one screw is there on the left side, one screw is on the right side. Once you remove the screws, guys, okay, that thing is going to pop up. We just wanted to show you where it's located in case you need to replace it, guys. It's not very complicated, but removing these screws, it's not a fun thing at all. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find that one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave a comment below in the comment section. That way, guys, we'll have an idea if you need certain repair, so we can make a video. And also we can learn what you like and what you don't. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.